Welcome back to the third episode of the beginner tutorials of the mapping tools of Project Zomboid. The last episode I've shown you that there exist two methods to build uh, yeah, objects in your world. Areas, I mean. The first one was in tiled or tile set, and the second, the better method, is in building at the building editor. It's better because you can set internal names, and I will come to the internal names after I've shown you why I can't see the buildings in tile set I've placed in world at. So you need to go to the settings, and you see some Zomboid submenu, and now we have to add our project, and our project is called Tutbi. Open. So, and now we have to close tiled and reopen it. And now we see our areas or buildings. And now I want to say something about the internal names. So, this isn't a room. So, the internal names are important for the item spawning, and this is a Lua file. Lua is a script language, and you can create mods with it, and also the item spawning for your map. So this is, for example, this is internal name, general store. It's internal name for the room. So let's create a room, garbage area, and the internal name is garbage area. So let's copy it, Control C, and no walls. What floor? The brighter one. Okay. And now let's create a room, draw room, like so. And now we have the outside walls. We can just go on the building properties, and this is exterior wall. Can also select none. So we have just an area. And now let's save it again. We have to create a new part of this Lua file. So just copy and paste the text, and now I forgot that I've copied the internal name, but that was garbage area. And now this means the container type. there exist different container types. If you want to know what container types exist, go to in tileset, go to tools, tile properties. Now open your where is it? It's in the game, I think. Game folder. Media, and here are the tiles files. Let's see what's the newest. Okay, this one. So now, what is this? All right. The file has to be in the tileset folder. I think. Tiles? Oh yeah. Okay, let's take this one. So now you can see the container types just by clicking on a tile. You see a container type. Ta-da! You can use, for example, let's take the let's see what the trash bins type is. Trash containers. Bin, 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 bin. That's a crate. Bin. Okay, everything is a bin. All is a bin. So we can change all in bin. And these are, of course, the items which can spawn in the bin containers. The numbers are a bit weird. I don't know exactly how it works. Okay, it says it walls of 5, but I don't see 5s, and I have to ask or to search how this works correctly. So maybe in the next episode I will explain it in much more detail. So this was the internal name. In the next episode I want to build a very little house here, and with a garden, but I show you 2 different methods to create the garden. So hang on. Ciao.